Welcome to our beginner's English class.
Today's topic will be Anna's dream of becoming a ballet dancer.
But it really wasn't easy for her to achieve that dream. Watch how I overcame those difficulties. I really want to become a ballet dancer. They're so beautiful. Dad. Can I join the ballet class?
But learning ballet is very hard work, and you'll have to dedicate a lot of time to practice, Anna.
Are you sure? I don't think you'll be able to learn. I'm going to become a ballet dancer.
Tom, you mustn't tease your sister. I believe she can handle it.
Daughter, it's time to go.
Today, I'm taking you to ballet class. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
The classroom is up ahead, Anna.
I'm feeling so excited, Mom. We're finally here. Look, the door is open. Let's hurry inside. Wow, this place is amazing, Mom.
Study hard, my daughter.
Yes, Mom.
Welcome, everyone. Let's begin with a simple exercise.
It's harder than I imagined. Keep your back straight. I'm Chloe. Thank you, Chloe. I'm Anna. Looks like he hasn't made much progress yet.
He's learning, Tom.
How was your training today, son? How did you feel?
Ballet is very difficult. It requires a lot of concentration and practice, Mom. But I love ballet. Anna, what's wrong? I feel a little uncomfortable in my feet, probably because of the insoles. Anna, try this one and see if it helps. I'm giving it to you. Thank you, Chloe. And let's take a commemorative photo together. You look so funny.
Anna and Chloe, you two have practiced very well. Keep up the good work because we have a big competition next month.
Yes, we will do it together, teacher. I have to try harder, and I'm still very weak at these movements. What's going on? Anna, are you okay? Tom, I fell. My leg.
I heard a loud noise. Anna, did you fall?
Let me call a car to take you to the hospital.
Doctor, please examine my daughter. It seems you've overexerted yourself, leaving your legs feeling heavy, and you need to rest to recover.
But I still have a competition.
Sorry, Anna. No dancing for now.
That's my dream, and I've been trying very hard lately. Can my dream continue?
I'll bandage your leg to help it heal faster.
Thank you, nurse. Where's Anna's room? Room 36? 37? Ah, here it is!
Anna, how are you feeling? Are you feeling better?
Thank you, Chloe. I think I need more time to recover.
Anna, your friends miss you so much, and they all want to ask how you are.
Really? I miss them too. How are you?
Get well soon so you can train with us.
Mom!
You can still practice with your mind and hands, Anna. Keep trying.
Thank you, Doctor, for taking care of my daughter.
You're welcome. Just make sure she eats well and exercises to help her recover quickly.
Everything will be all right, Anna. Let's try our best, my daughter.
Yes, Mom.
That's right. Walk slowly, very slowly.
It's so difficult, Dad. Anna, keep going. You've taken more steps than yesterday. Come on, let's go to the park.
It's time to rest. A proper diet helps bones heal faster. Eat, my dear.
Thank you, Mom. I feel full of energy to practice now, Mom. I miss everyone, and I miss dancing. I hope I recover quickly. My leg has recovered. I can dance again. Hello, everyone. I'm back. Look, everyone. Anna's back. How is everyone? We're fine. And have you fully recovered? Don't worry. We'll always be here to help you.
Slow down, Anna. No jumping around today.
Yes, I will practice carefully.
And plie. Down slowly, keep the posture straight. Very nice. Chin up, sweetie. That's right, Anna. Just dance slowly, and I'm here to support you.
Yes, teacher. Anna, you dance so gracefully. Keep it up. You can do it. Dad, I want to enter the upcoming competition.
Okay, as long as your leg is fine and you don't overtrain.
I'm so worried. What if I fail? What if I can't do it?
You can do it, Anna. Be confident.
Thank you, Chloe. It's Anna's turn now.
That was absolutely stunning.
A perfect 10!
Incredible performance.
She did it! Anna did a great job.
We did it, Chloe.
Congratulations, Anna.
Finally, I've achieved my dream.
We're so proud of you.
Success is not just about winning, but also about not giving up when faced with difficulties. And that's thanks to the people who always stand by your side.
Also, remember to warm up before exercising and don't overexert yourself.
Thank you everyone for watching our story. See you in the next video. Goodbye.